So first year was halls of residence at Lyme Regis,
And what
and
was like living there?
it was enjoyable. I mean, I made a really good mate who I'm still mates with now in the flat. And even though like the showers were sometimes cold and kind of all kind of general maintenance wasn't that great, we enjoyed ourselves still anyway. And now they've had a refurb anyway, so I assume all that stuff's absolutely fine now.
Would you suggest it?
Yeah, I'd suggest Lyme Regis. I'd just suggest any of the halls in the middle bit of Lansdowne, really.
And you're
Hilton
studying
Greg.
it?
And secondly, I'm in a house in Boscombe, which is an 8-man house, which is quite busy. And it's not too far from, well, it's quite far from the bus stops. So it's not very amazingly positioned, but we're very close to the beach. And we can, yeah, living there is okay. It's just getting to uni is difficult.
Okay.